All right, we bat like spinal cords. Back when we never left. Jeff Halfley going back to Green Bay, facing his former team, former employer. This is week 6. Welcome to episode 3. Let's get right into it. I don't need to see all this intro stuff. We get right into the game. See if we can snag a win here. We're on a 3-game losing skid. Probably the worst 3 games of competitive football you'll see. Actually, not competitive football. It was very uncompetitive, but professional football is probably the better statement there. Nice third down stop. Chop Robinson with a little bit of pressure there. What you like to see. Nothing offensively, which has really been the theme so far this year. Nothing offensively. Defense has been straight, but it's hard to be a good defense when your offense genuinely cannot do anything. Like I don't think anyone on the offensive side of the ball has a pulse this year, besides like Waddle and HN. O-line's been trash, and I mean quarterback play's been awful. Malik Willis, I don't know if I said this in the beginning of the video, but Malik Willis is benched. I might have said it last video. Willis is benched. We're starting Quinn Ewers. I don't feel good about that either, honestly. Great completion there to Jaden Reed. I can't be mad there. What I can't complain about is I've been recording for a minute and a half. We're almost through the first half of this game. That is insanity. Like, play the moments makes the game fast. Sometimes it just be too fast. I need Lock to rotate over. Get over. Get there. Ah, touchdown. Juju Brents. Jaden Reed gets a good crossing route on him. Nothing we can do there. Third down. I am hoping Quinn Ewers can do something for us. I mean, I doubt it, but just do something for the man. Oh my God. Golly, man. We can't even block that up right, man. That's so bad. I'm mad, but I'm not even mad, bro. I know this team's trash, but like, good God. It's like we can't like do anything right at all. It is just a very rough go of things earlier in year 1. I knew it was gonna be rough. I didn't know it was gonna be this rough. We've got get that up behind them. Man, trying to throw that behind because it looked like McKinney was gonna run underneath with that, throw it behind him, trying to fit that ball in somewhere. Didn't really work that way. Waddle, touchdown. God, Waddle's so good, man. We do not deserve Jalen Waddle. The idea of trading Waddle crossed my mind, and I was like, nah, can't do it. Like, we could get a first-round pick out of him, but I can't do it. I would not be able to bring myself to do it.
Here we go. 50 Green.
Sack. Malcolm Kuntz. There we go. That's his second sack in as many games. Wait, no, that's a lie. Second in 3 games. I'm sorry. He got a sack against the Raiders, not against the Chargers. Yeah, second and 18. Let's keep him in the pocket here. Well, he stayed in the pocket. He was dotted us up, though.
Hang on now. We're going to pause here. We've got an injured player. They need 12 here. It's third down.
Break that up. Oh, good play. Juju Brents. Perks of being like 6'3" right there. Outstretched arms. Bats that ball down. Great. That's what we needed. Those are the kind of breaks we've needed all year defensively. Whether we get them or not is a different story, but we get them this time, so cannot complain there. They have our former kicker, Riley Patterson. 4th down, yeah, no. 4th down at our own 13, down 6. We're going for this for sure. Oh, are we serious, dude? I don't even know what to say to that. That's rough. Surratt may get open here. He's not. Oh my God, man. I genuinely don't know where I'm supposed to go with this ball offensively. There's just nothing that works offensively for this team right now. It's actually pretty bad.
motion right goes Reed.
Ready.
Following the interception, Love. That's to Kraft.
And about 2 minutes ago, this game was within reach, and now it is seemingly no longer in reach. Caught by Hooper. Thank God he got that ball. It might have been a generational crash out on video for me if he didn't catch that.
It's a third down situation in the fourth quarter. Time to see if this defense is up to the task.
Oh my God, are we fucking serious? What the fuck, man? That is my least favorite thing about this video game, is that if you were hit when you throw the ball, there's any pressure in your face, you were throwing the ball straight to a linebacker. There's just no way around it. There's no, like, just spiking it in the ground when you miss. Like, no, you're just throwing it straight to somebody else. It's just so annoying. Good God, it's fucking annoying. Is that Damian Martinez? Who's that back? It might be Damian Martinez. I think he signed with the practice squad last year. So I know he was with Seattle. He didn't stick around in Seattle either.
32.
All right, 2-minute warning. I mean,
2 minutes left to play in this football game here on EA Sports.
a lot of trouble in South Beach right now.
So it's Packer football here as we welcome you.
I have a lot of confidence in our defense and, you know, like, the pieces we have offensively, but we just cannot put anything together, it seems. Okay. But no, it just seems like defensively we're good, and offensively we have the pieces to be good. We just can't put it together, man.
We'll see if they can, but this is third and goal.
45. White.
I can't even be mad at the defense. We put them out on the field for so long. They've been on the field so long because offenses cannot sustain a drive. It's actually really pathetic. Nice throw there to Surratt. Yeah, Quinn Ewers has 3 picks. Great. Caught there by Surratt. There's no timeouts left. Oh my lord. Hold on to the ball, Surratt. Come on, man. I don't even care about that in the grand scheme of the game, bro. Just stat pad. Stat pad effectively. Come on. I mean, I guess I'll play this last play. I mean, not much else I can do there. If he picked that, oh man. I wouldn't have been mad if he picked that off. I mean, Quinn Ewers is out here putting up C.J. Stroud numbers. It's like actually. Great punt. I mean, nothing else. We got a pretty good punter. I mean, it's facts. All right, well, that game's over. Uninspiring, to say the least. I mean, Willis has 6 through 5 starts. And Ewers started last week through a touchdown and 3 picks. So I'm just like, oh my God. It's just bad. But, we're going to give Ewers another start today. We'll probably not pick up a quarterback until the trade deadline. We'll probably rely on our guys a little bit to try and do something. But I have 3 quarterbacks in mind that we'll talk about after this game. Feel like we should at least give Ewers a second shot at starting this year before we start talking about replacing him. Gotta put that away, nothing there. But I figured we'd give him at least another chance to do something, because we gave Willis plenty of opportunities, and Willis will be back next year because we can't afford anything else. Knocked out of his hands. What an aggressive play call there from the Patriots. I totally thought they were like pushing that up the middle, but they went for a play action pass, and that's a great job by Kader Kohu on the outside. We're gonna audible out of this. I'd much rather call slants here. Dropped by Waddle. So we'll at least get a field goal here. I'm not kicking a field goal. I'm sorry. I said I'll play all the moments, but I'm not kicking a field goal. It's just not going to happen. We've got a very good opportunity here. The Patriots are undefeated coming into this game.
Coming to the line for another 1st and 10.
It'd be great to beat this team, but we're not going to beat them doing stuff like that. I'll be 100% honest. That was my fault, but I'm going to blame the quarterback per usual. Let's see. I mean, just there's no blocking up front. It's like we can't call the right play no matter what we do. It's pretty rough. Trusting Waddle to get open across the middle here. Waddle's open, gain of 11 there. Good play. A win here would definitely be great. I would love a win here. Oh my gosh, man. What the fuck? This is awful. I mean, like, who in the fuck is this guy? That's what I want to know. Is just that's such an inaccurate fucking play of football. It's actually dog shit. Honestly, it's really fucking bad. Like, no, not even. We're gonna look at this shit. Cause where in the fuck is he throwing this football? You have a wide open man. You have a wide window right here. Right here. This is when I let go of the ball. Right here. Put it on his body. Why are you leading him so far out? I'm throwing this ball, leading it away from him to put it on his right shoulder. Man, this game is something. I'll say that. This game is fucking something.
They're going to hang on to that interception.
Great tackling by Arvo Reese. But I'm pretty sure we get there it is. Key moments. There we go. Defense needs our help at the 3-yard line. Not much I can do for you there.
All set up for an insurance score here. It's 1st and goal.
Bat it out. Ah, good coverage though. Can't break it up, but great coverage by Minka.
Makes the catch. And he's able to get it to the 2 before the stop.
It's the 4th quarter already. Oh my god.
2nd and goal.
This game's really been like 5 minutes. And man, no comment.
Quick throw completed by Madden.
I mean, like, why can't our offense do anything? That's what I want to know. I really want to know what the problem is.
Made out a throw on 3rd. Keeps away from one. Hits him on the end route. On 1st down, it's Gibson.
Oh, great. Chop Robinson's hurt. That's phenomenal.
But they stop him after 2 yards. Need a better result than that last run. It's 2nd and 8. Putting the tight end in motion.
Great tackle out there by PJ Law. Gotta say, great tackling.
He's unable to get away from that tackle. Good work by the defense. Nothing gained on 2nd down.
So close to a big loss of yards for those guys up front. 1 second sooner, you got a tackle behind the line, but a stop to celebrate.
Ooh, lit up by Jordan Brooks there.
Finds the in route complete. And he makes the catch.
We're gonna get a timeout at a 2-minute warning, so no use in calling one right now.
Maybe a yard short. Now it's Andres Borregales to try the Patriots field goal. It's only a chip shot from the right hand.
Hit it. It's a 14-point game. There's really no winning this game, but we can at least play for some respect here.
It's the 2-minute warning from Miami.
It's probably the most we can do.
Patriots getting closer to a
Let's play for some dignity here.
Some 1st and 10 now from the 30.
Trot by Elijah Surratt. Man,
From the shotgun.
our fucking team is not doing anything right. This shit's terrible. My lord, dude.
After the incompletion, 2nd and 10, still from the 30. Operating from the gun, it's Ewers. And this one's dropped for what would have been a nice game.
Are we fucking serious?
Himself 1 interception in this game, partner, and throws like that are going to find him another if he isn't careful.
Yep, those are the throws you want to
We're going to have to go for it here because I mean, don't have much else to do. Oh my God, man. I don't have any words. All right. 75 yards. The worst offense in terms of points. We're averaging under 10 points a game, under 120 passing yards, not even 60 rushing yards. We have the worst overall offense I think the league has seen in like 3 or 4 years. The only offense I can think of that is worse than this offense was the 2019 Dolphins offense, the first year under Brian Flores. So it's time to go after a quarterback. Like genuinely, it's time to bring in somebody with a pulse to this football team because clearly our offense has nothing. So Jacoby Brissett's here. Not interested. There's like 3 quarterbacks I'm really like actually considering in any capacity. Aiden O'Connell, he's a backup here for the Raiders right now. Started a little bit, decent accuracies, could be an option. Spencer Rattler could be an option. He's a 3rd-string quarterback for the Saints. He would probably be my most desired option. Or we can go full psycho mode with it and go Will Levis. I mean, I know I'm complaining about our team throwing interceptions and I'm talking about acquiring Will Levis, but it's just bad. I think I'm going to try and make a move for Spencer Rattler. I do want to see what... Okay, they do have decent safeties. I'm just wondering what I can offer here that would actually entice them to move him because they don't need him. A 5th doesn't really get it done. Earlier 5th, maybe... No, we probably want a player. If we swap quarterbacks, like maybe they're not going to want Ewers. Ewers is ass. They're not going to want Ewers. D-tackle, we don't really have anything to move. Middle linebacker, likewise. Nothing really moving there. Let me think. All right, here's a trade I cooked up. So Rattler's been moved to running back to get a more accurate positional value on the Madden trade skill because Madden values a 70 overall 4th-string quarterback at a 4th round pick. So we're gonna mirror the Joe Milton trade that the Cowboys made, giving a 5th round pick for Rattler, Milton, and a 7th round pick. So that's a trade we're gonna do here. We're gonna go in and put him back to quarterback, and he will likely be our starting quarterback the rest of the year. I don't even care how bad he plays. It cannot be worse than what we just watched Malik Willis and Quinn Ewers do. Let's change his number to something decent. 3, 1. We'll do 1, whatever. All right. Now, the Spencer Rattler-led Miami Dolphins team. Let's see what we got. All right, week 8. It's time for a change here. We acquired Spencer Rattler. It's time to make a little bit of difference here because offensively we're inept. This cannot continue to go on. This is how people get fired, and we need to lock in here. So we're reading the inside field here, the stick and nod. Hit as he threw. It was open, but offensive line couldn't hold up there. And big 3rd down here. Our first defensive play now. Or moment to jump in and play. We're going to actually drop out into cover 2. Hit him. Nice job. Jordan Brooks getting in there downfield, playing the middle read in a Tampa 2, knocks that ball out. Great job there. Another 3rd down here for Rattler and the boys. We are going to put H-Handis on a swing immediately. Oh, my, man. It looked like it'd be open because he rubbed off of the in route from Hooper. He rubbed off of it, so I figured he'd be open. We're going to go for it. We need to be aggressive. On our own side of the field, it's a tie ball game. Got to be aggressive here. We're really watching Hooper here on that, like, underneath. That is a phenomenal catch by Austin Hooper. Awful throw by Rattler, but phenomenal catch. 4th and 10. I'm gonna let them kick that field goal because I suck at that. they can go ahead and do that. Big third down, 3rd and 15. Let's play cover 4 quarters. Keep AR-15 in the pocket. No reason to get all stupid with it. Just bat that away. Great job. Isaiah Simmons hasn't made too many crazy flashy plays, but has definitely been good for us this year. It's another opportunity here, 3rd and long. He's definitely been a guy I've been a little impressed with this year. We're going to get depth here. Coming down. Tackle. Nice tackle there made by Chop Robinson. 2-minute drill here for us. Let's try and get some points here. At least a field goal would be great. Let's roll. Slide. Timeout. C-Mex comeback. I'm not even reading that comeback by Surratt. I'm reading the right side of the field here. Malachi lost the football. Got lit up. Oh my god. Dropped it. We still have a field goal though. We get the ball back. We recover it. It's like a 3rd window throw there for Rattler. We're going to call time. That gets us into field goal range, which is great. Now he's got to be safe with the football here, not do anything stupid. It's our final timeout. Just got to try and make something happen here. Hit the ground. Did they get that timeout unit in? Oh, let's see this. Okay. That was complete clock mismanagement by me, but whatever. They didn't give me many options there. That fumble definitely kind of messed up our plans. But I think also I kind of freaked out when he fumbled. I was like, oh my god, timeout. And I really didn't need to call a timeout, but whatever. You live and you learn. It's a tie ball game. 3rd and 4 here. Get down there. Mika got there, but just goes right through him. Elite running back doing elite running back things. Not surprised. Speaking of Minka, there's been a lot of thought for me of whether or not we should move off of Minka, and in my brain it's a resounding yes to move Minka and get like a 3rd or 4th round pick out of him while you can, but then looking around the league, it doesn't make sense for really any teams to give up that capital and then also pay him a big contract that he desires. So I think we are going to just be rolling with Minka the rest of the year. There's one team I think would be interested, the Jacksonville Jaguars. They showed interest last trade deadline where Miami elected to keep him, but I just don't see a real suitor for him this trade deadline. Oh, so close. Almost got back there with Jordan Brooks. Just can't finish the play. Great tackling in the backfield there. Gang tackle there on DJ Giddens, I think, from K-State. He'd be in his 2nd year at this point. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Short. Nah. Woo! They're going to call that touchdown back. Let's go. I hope at least. That's what it appears. Pick that. Great job playing the ball there by Minka. Thought it could have been a pick, but hey, whatever. They didn't score a touchdown. I ain't mad. And Gums tackles him into the end zone. Can't do anything there. I mean, man, it's just frustrating. I really don't know what the problem with the offense is. Like, genuinely, I wish I could tell what the problem is, but I just don't know, actually. Runs for the first. I mean, it's 10-24. I mean, this is ridiculous. I mean, no reason for offense to be this putrid.
We'll keep this drive moving, partner. Here's another 1st and 10.
Knocked out of Waddle's hands. Can't do anything about that. I mean, ball's on target and you just can't catch it. It's great coverage, but man.
2nd down, still 10 to go after that incomplete pass.
Caught there by Justin Jolly, 3rd and inches.
Pass is caught at the 9. So solid gain there, Brock. It's still 3rd down and short that they've got to figure out now as they pick up 9 on that previous play.
I'm fully banking this year on like Spencer Rattler doing the Sam Darnold thing and just balling. It's possible. I think he's one of the quarterbacks I would gamble on it working for, but it's not happening here. Oh, just can't get the ball accurately across his body. It was open. I'm not even mad about that. That was a hard throw to make. For a lefty, it's probably easier to it. But touchdown, Ollie Gordon. There we go. Now there's a chance in this game. Now we're showing some life. And we have a drive here going. 3rd and 6. There's an opportunity here. If we can get someone to get open. Oh my god, dude. You have JT Tuimoloau and fucking man. You can't make the fucking throw. Come on, man. That is wide ass open. That's his fucking open.
So they'll head up here 1st and 10 from the 34.
Oh my god. And now we're... Man, that's so annoying. That was a touchdown. Just unbelievable miss.
Last run got him 9, so now they need one more here on 2nd down.
Past the 60. Past the 60.
One here with Giddens. And he has it up towards midfield before he's taken down at the 47. We're down to the 2-minute warning here in Indy. Colts leading by 7.
1st and 10 at the 47-yard line.
Here's 1st and 10 from the 47. Giddens will get this off his own lead. And he has enough room to gain about 4. So after the 2-minute warning, another stoppage here. The defense is calling time. 1:55 to go.
Tackled. Nice. Take that second timeout. Final timeout. We gotta play good coverage here. 3rd and 10. We gotta go stop. Oh, picked off Juju Brents. Let's go.
Yeah!
That's huge. Gets a great pick there. Huge, big-time pick against his former team. Let's go. That is exactly what we needed.
You know, as a quarterback, every single interception stings. But those you throw in clutch
Hooper, catch the ball, man. Come on.
your team relying on
We need them to catch the ball here.
is not going to forget.
Ball and defender arrived at the exact same time there. So it'll be 2nd down.
Off the mark again for Rattler, man.
This one found by the defender instead and knocked away. Back-to-back passes failing to connect, Brock. It's 3rd down.
Sketch it. Oh my god, man. Fuck.
That one is incomplete.
We cannot catch the ball today. Like, what the fuck is this?
It's like 3 and outs, Kate, but you really don't like them on 3rd down when you throw into tight coverage like that. Got to manufacture a better look.
Great throw to Robinson. It's a great play call, but we should have converted like 3 plays ago. This is ridiculous.
Midfield down inside the 45-yard line. The time is there, but the timeouts are not. Gotta be smart. It's 1st and 10.
Dropped again by Waddle. He cannot catch the ball for whatever reason. He just cannot catch the ball today. It is ridiculous.
The hit knocks it free. Incomplete. The incompletion, they come up on 2nd and 10. We'll look to throw it.
Just off the mark there. Can't connect.
Trying to push deep downfield.
Ball's underthrown and it's probably picked by us all, so it's not terrible there.
Doesn't work. No connection on the last play, and now it's 3rd down. To throw.
Man. There's just nothing we can do. Like, you can call the best play and it just doesn't matter. It's not complete. It doesn't matter. Nothing. Like I said, can't do anything apparently. I don't know. This is ridiculous. All right, here we are, week 9 against the Minnesota Vikings. We need something to change here. We're at home. We need something to change here. We changed the offense. We're going to more of our Denver Broncos kind of offense under Sean Payton. Packers offense just isn't working. We're going to have to try something different here and try and get this offense to go, because there's a nice little carry to start the game, 11 yards. They're giving us the opportunity to play the entire first drive of the game, which is pretty cool. I think getting HN the ball has to be a priority. I mean, we just extended him. We paid him a lot of money. For the CPU to have him under 300 rushing yards almost 9 games into the year is, like, ridiculous. We're going to run this one. I didn't see anything. We're going to run. Just get out of bounds. Pick up the first down. Keep the drive going. But, yeah, no, like, the run game's been pathetic. I'm like, it makes no sense to me how Art the Sim is just not running the ball at all. We're going to get the Jalen Wright, who's very fast. He's going to get about 11, I think. Something like that. 11 yards. I don't know. Not good at math. We're going to roll those guys down, which means we could. Off the mark for Rattler. I mean, quarterbacks had to be such a priority this draft. Which, after this game, I'd love to start having some conversations about the draft, where we're looking in the draft, what we're looking for in the draft, because I'll tell you what, quarterback's got to be top of that board. Nice throw to Surratt there, inside the 10. Great game. Good route by Surratt. 3rd round draft pick this year. Oh, he almost got it. That was almost a hospital ball. We're going to audible this to inside zone. Get in. Ah, 1 yard line. 3rd and goal. Gotta get a touchdown here. No error on it. We're going to call Rattler somewhere to sneak this in, hopefully. Let's see what we got here. Touchdown. There we go. Precisely what we need to start off the game here. Touchdown drive. Get another opportunity here. 3rd and 3. It's a weird play call for 3rd and 3, but whatever. I'll take it, I guess.
So while they're in the huddle, partner, we've arrived at the end of our first quarter. The Dolphins out to an early advantage. Back to Hard Rock Stadium right after this.
Here we go.
Go to Malachi Fields. Cuts back up the field. Gets a good 11-yard gain there. 3rd and 10 here. Not ideal, but we are in field goal range, so as long as we don't turn the ball over here, we should exit with points.
Ready. Black, 95.
Ah, H-N can get 8 there. Can't get the last 2. I'm going to let them kick the field goal there. It's kind of a terrible idea. 3rd down. 3rd and 2. We're going to run it here. Or at least try to run it. You're at the 50.
3rd and just 2 to go.
Middle H-N, he's just so fast. 11-yard gain there.
It's H-N on the inside again.
Big time. 3rd and 10 here. We converted 5 third downs.
3rd and 10. Can this offense get it
Oh,
done?
what a strong catch there by Austin Hooper. Great catch there. In the red zone now. 1st and goal at the 6. We're going to run this. Touchdown. Devon Achane. There we go. 2-minute drill. We have a chance to put more points up here. We got a minute left. 2 timeouts. Let's try and get something going here. Let's try just not to turn it over here. Broken tackle there by H-N, but we get nothing there. They blew that play up. get like 5 yards there. They're gonna call timeout. We've got third and 8. We just cannot turn the ball over here. We can punt it back, just can't turn the ball over.
Able to make the stop. Defense nearing a stop. Need to hold once more here on third down.
That's fine.
Third and long for him.
Let them call a timeout. Punt it back. Try and take a 10-point lead into the half.
Brought down after a short gain. Minnesota spends its second time out here. And he gets it away from his end zone.
Nice return, about
The return
50 for
begins
them.
on their side of
Or past
midfield.
50, I'm sorry.
And a good return as he gets him up across midfield and into enemy territory.
All right, that's great. Defense holds the end of the half. We've got a drive going here at our own 26, 3rd and 2. I actually would like to see Robinson run a drag from that spot. Hit hard, can't hold on, great. But field goal should still be in the cards. Field goal takes a 13-point lead, 6-point lead now. Defense needs our help here. If we throw away this win, I'm going to be so annoyed. This is a game we have no business losing.
Throwing on third, McCarthy.
Great job. Chop Robinson getting a sack there. His second sack of the game. Let's go. That's huge.
Dolphins are gonna get to him. He is dropped. And now it's 5
If they hit this, we get to hold a 3-point lead.
brings up fourth down.
Not terrible, but I trust how our offense is running today. It's running much better today on this new playbook. Apparently not, because they've got the ball again. They're driving on us, so that's great. In other news, Keldrick Falk is back, the 2nd-round pick.
Halfway to the marker. It's 2nd and 5. They'll send him over right.
Oh my God, right over my head, man. How did I not make a play on that ball? I'm not even trying for a pick. I'm just trying to swat it down. Can't do anything there. All right, well, we're playing from behind now then.
Action, McCarthy.
Blew a lead. Not super surprised by that, but
Touchdown, Minnesota.
man. This is bleak.
Last pass unsuccessful, and they have third down here. He'll throw it.
4th and 1. We got to go for this.
He finds his running back. Nice work, complete. This spot is going to be close, but he does not have that first. They're going to face 4th and short. Just about a yard to the markers. They're going to take the risk and go.
Good run there by Ollie Gordon.
Try
Good
the
call there. I was kind of worried to run. I was where I was going to get stuffed, but we got to take the risk there.
It's an 8-yard gain. Great call there on 4th down. Keeps this drive moving.
Caught by Washington. Probably a bad choice to football there.
Complete right side to Washington. And he's able to
Vikings 0-21. What does that even mean? What are they talking about?
It's the 2-minute warning from Miami. Dolphins losing.
We really need to pull out a win here. I mean, there's no way around it. We got to pull a win out here.
8 yards to go. Let's see how they approach this second down.
How? Oh my God, man. How in the fuck did they miss that? That's so bullshit. I don't, bro. Like, what the fuck?